Hi everyone, for today's origami tutorial we're going to be making an easy fish, which will hopefully be easy like it said. So to begin with, like usual, we're going to start with a square piece of origami paper, and for the fish we're going to start with making the fish base. So we're going to fold it diagonally in half first. We're going to open this up and fold either side towards the center. And then after that, what we're going to do is bring the bottom point here. We're gonna pull it up and fold it in half. We're gonna fold it behind, actually, not in front. Like so. Flip it back round, and what we're going to do is grabbing each flap here on the side, we're going to open them up and squash them down. So open and squash like so. Make sure I line it up as I do that. And do the same on the other side. Cool. And then after that, what we're going to do is bring the top flap down and then open it back, not open it, flip it around, and this is our fish base. So what we're going to do after that is actually we're going to fold it back in half, so like so, and your model should start with looking like this. And then for this part, let me check it's right way. Yep, we're going to start by folding the bottom edge here towards the center crease, towards the center, like so. I'm going to press down on that. And then for the top here, we're going to fold it. So if we put our thumb here, we're going to fold it slightly in, up to where my thumb is at the top, and fold it diagonally. So yeah, it's going to like go over the bottom flap that we just folded, and then at the other end we're gonna just fold this down. So this is our model, about this much. I would say it's all a bit rough. The instructions to how much to fold it down by, and then this is how our model should look so far. And then what we're going to do after is actually fold the top back. So we're going to fold it back, following the crease, which brings this up when we do it. And then what we're going to do is push it up and squash it down. And at this point you may want to adjust it like a bit as you press down, so that like both these are evenly sized. Cool, so then on the other end here, what we're going to do is fold this whole top part down. So grab here and we're just gonna fold it all down. Oh. So that this flap here is now like horizontal, flat on the base line here. Oh, it's so hard to fold because it's so thick now, the paper, because of the number of creases. Press. Oh my god. Cool. So then after that, what we're going to do is fold this up onto itself. So we're gonna fold this about here. So like so, we actually have, I have a crease here anyway to work from. I'm not sure if you guys do, but we're gonna fold it up so it's like this now, top, and then we want to open this up. Like you can see here, you can open that up. And we're gonna just squash down like so, and then we're gonna pull this back, fold it back, and it's kind of, yeah, this is basically it for our easy fish. So hopefully you guys fold it on like thinner paper so that it will actually stay down, because it's a bit difficult with the paper that's given in the calendar when folding, something that's like thicker than usual. But yeah, this is how it looks basically. I have to kind of keep my finger on there for now, since yeah, it's not. But yeah, this is how it looks. So hopefully yours also looks similar like this. And yeah, as usual, thanks for watching. Write a comment down below what you thought of this video. Thumbs up this video so I know you enjoyed this type of content. Subscribe for more origami videos like this and other sorts of arts and craft videos I do on here. And yeah, thanks for watching everyone, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.